The Istanbul Aman Palace is the world's largest house, with 1,788 rooms, a mosque, and 257 bathrooms. It was created by Leonardo Loxon and is known as the Light of Faith Palace. The gold domes and vaulted ceilings of the palace are a hybrid of Malay and Islamic design. This is a private residence that also serves as a venue for entertaining foreign dignitaries. During Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr, you can visit the palace for 3 days. Guests are provided meals and given the opportunity to meet the Sultan and his wife in a queue. Although Buckingham Palace is not privately owned, as it is held by Crown Estates, it is one of the Queen's residences. There is also plenty of space for guests with 775 rooms. If you reserve long in advance, you can see the 19 state rooms throughout the summer months. Buckingham Palace Garden, which spans 42 acres, is often included on tours. The palace has 78 bathrooms and is connected to Clarence House and the Houses of Parliament by an underground tunnel system. Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries, and his family live in this 27-story residence that is 500 feet. The enormous mansion resembles a skyscraper. On the roof, there's a helipad and 9 high-speed elevators. Here, 600 people work. Antilia is located on Altamount Road, Mumbai's most prestigious neighborhood. The structure is built to resist an earthquake of a magnitude of 8 on the Richter scale. The Biltmore Estate, one of America's most impressive historic residences, is regarded to be the country's largest private residence. The mansion includes 250 rooms and is set on 8,000 acres. There are 65 fireplaces, 43 baths, 34 bedrooms, 3 kitchens and 3 kitchens. The mansion, which was built in the French Renaissance style, has various hidden rooms. The butler's pantry is accessible through a secret entrance in the breakfast room. The library features a hidden room named the Den, as well as an underground tunnel beneath it. The Saffron Mansion was built for the late Joseph Saffron and his wife Vicky, despite Joseph regretted having such a large property. "If I could go back in time, I wouldn't have built such a big house," he once said. Mansão Saffron, which boasts an excellent location in the upscale Morumbi district of São Paulo, has relatively few images available. It is the largest residence in São Paulo and is guarded by tight security gates.